morning, dear students. Welcome to your accountancy class. Students, today we will learn about that how to pass the journal entry related to some typical transactions. Okay, so we discuss these transactions one by one and also get to know that how to journalize these transactions. Clear, students? First is partners capital account. Partners capital account. So students, in this, when capital is introduced by two or more persons, so transaction is that Ram and Sham introduce capital. Okay, so previously you know that the transaction is business started with cash. At that time we pass the journal entry cash account debit to capital account, but here capital is introduced, business is started but with two persons, and two persons are in their partnership firm. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here the partners capital account. So when partner capital account is opened, when there are two or more persons introduced capital or start a business. Okay, so let's take an example to understand it. So there is an example of transaction, means example of typical transaction, and I'm also telling you that how to pass the journal entry related to this. So the transaction is Ram and Sham, two partners introduced, or we can say started business with rupees 6,000 and rupees 4,000 respectively. Means Ram introduced rupees 6,000 and Sham introduced rupees 4,000 to start their firm, to start their partnership firm. So at that time, student, the entry will be mostly you pass the journal entry like cash account debit to capital account. When there is a single person, introduce capital. When partners introduce capital, you would pass the journal entry cash account debit to, now we credited the capital account but with the name of the person, to Ram's capital account with rupees 6,000 on credit side. Okay, students, and to Sham's capital account with rupees 4,000. So both to introduced capital rupees total 10,000. So they start business with rupees 10,000. Clear, students? And the narration for this is for business started by Ram and Shyam. Clear, students? Clear that how to pass the journal entry when capital is introduced by two or more persons. Next transaction is, student, the second, amount of loan. So students, sometime the proprietor take loan from outsiders. Okay, and sometime proprietor give loan to outsiders. So two conditions are clear. Amount of loan, transaction is related to amount of loan. Sometime proprietor take loan and sometime proprietor give loan. So in these two conditions, journal entry would be different. Okay, students. So we will learn these one by one. First of all, we learn that when proprietor take loan from outside, what entry should be passed. Okay. So when proprietor take loan from outsider. Okay students, so we will understood this transaction through the example. Example is students that how to pass the journal entry when proprietor take loan. So at that time the transaction is a loan of rupees 12,000 is taken from Zahir. A loan of rupees 12,000 taken from Zahir. Okay, so this is first condition student under amount of loan, that loan is taken by proprietor from Zahir. At that time the entry will be students, loan is taken means some amount is coming to the business. At that time student the journal entry is cash account debit. Cash account debit. How much the amount of loan is student? 12,000 means 12,000 is the amount of loan and it is taken in form of cash. So cash is coming to the business, and in this students Zahir is the giver, but we write here to Zahir loan account. So when loan is taken from outsider, at that time the loan account is credited to Zahir loan account, rupees 12,000 on credit side. Clear students? And the narration will be for loan taken from Zahir. Clear students? So this is the transaction. This is the journal entry for the transaction when proprietor take loan from outsider. At that time cash account is debit and loan account is credited. Clear students? And we write the name of the person from whom loan is taken. Condition under amount of loan is students, loan given to Bhagwan for rupees 5,000. Loan given to Bhagwan. So at that time students entry will be loan given to Bhagwan. So at that time loan to Bhagwan account is debited. So when loan is given to the outsider by the proprietor, at that time loan account should be debited. So loan to Bhagwan account debit. Bhagwan account debit to cash account. To cash account, because loan is given in form of cash and the amount is students rupees 5,000 on debit side and 5,000 on credit side. Clear students? When the loan is given to the outsider, so the example of this transaction is loan given to Bhagwan rupees 5,000. So at that time the entry will be students, loan to Bhagwan account debit to cash account. Okay, so the loan account is debited here. Clear students? So students, first transaction is related to partners capital account, second transaction is related to amount of loan, and third is related to bad debts. So students, bad debts are the debts which are due from the customer. So when goods are sold to customer on credit, goods sold to customer on credit and he fails to pay the money due from him due to his insolvent position. So student, insolvent position is when when person doesn't have any asset to meet its liability. Okay students, so insolvent is the position when the person doesn't have any amount, doesn't have any assets to meet its liability, or it can be said that the assets are less than liability. So at that time, so the amount which is due from the customer doesn't received. Okay, so the amount due from the customer is debt. Okay, and this debt doesn't receive due to its insolvency, due to his insolvency position. So at that time, this debt is treated as bad debt. So I repeat student, when goods are sold on credit to the customer and some amount is due from him, okay, and he fails to pay the amount back, at that time the amount which is due from him is taken as bad debt. Okay, so we will discuss that how to pass the journal entry related to bad debts. So there are 3 cases students. We will discuss each case one by one with taking an example.